Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study For You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Glimpses of the past. Macro Lesson Plan 1. Preliminary Information. Item. Details. Name of the student teacher. Kavita, your name. Register number. Your register number. Subject. English. Class 8. Unit 3. Lesson topic. Glimpses of the past. Teacher's materials. Textbook, projector, glossary chart, mind map chart, simple vocabulary chart, whiteboard, markers. Reference book. NCERT Class 8 English textbook. Objectives. Pre-reading. To evoke curiosity about India's history between 1757–1857. Reading. To understand the events leading to the First War of Independence. Post-reading. To analyze and reflect on the historical events and their relevance today. Content. Here are some pictorial glimpses of the history of our country from 1757 to 1857. These pictures and speech bubbles will help clarify your understanding of the conditions that led to the event known as the First War of Independence in 1857. The Martyrs. At a function in Delhi. O my countrymen, let your eyes fill with tears, as you recall the sacrifices of India's martyrs. Picture showing that Katha Mangeshkar was singing. Besides her Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahaduri Shastri was sitting and listening her song and remembering the past. The company's conquests, 1757–1849. First picture with its superior weapons. The British East India Company was extending its power in 18th century India. India 1765 Indian Princess British territory. Second picture Indian princes were short-sighted that upstart Rajahaba called the English merchants. They will help me to defeat him. The people had no peace due to such constant fights. Third picture the rivalries helped the East India Company and it could easily subdue Indian princes one by one. Fourth picture a far-seeing ruler like the brave Tipu of Mysore fought the British till he died fighting. Fifth picture how did Indians react to these conquests? Thank God, there is peace in the country now. No more wars and no looting by thugs. It is God who sent the British. Our destiny is linked with them. And some other people think the white man has killed or dethroned our kings. Some kings were not good, but after all, they were of this land. Now we have become slaves of foreigners. Lesson plan steps. Skills steps. Academic standards. Teachers' activity. Students' activity. Teaching learning material, TLM. Blackboard writing, BBW. Evaluation. Greeting and introduction. Listening and speaking. Teacher greets the students. Students respond, "Good morning, teacher. We are." Freedom struggle and sacrifices. Teacher checks if all students respond to greeting. "Good morning, class. How are you all today?" "Fine, thank you." Motivation. Listening and speaking. Teacher shows a video of Lata Mangeshkar singing, "A Mere Watan Ke Logo." Asks, "What do you feel after?" Students share their feelings. It reminds us of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Projector. Video clip. Sacrifices of freedom fighters. Teacher asks open-ended questions to check emotional response. Watching this. Announcement of topic. Listening and speaking. Teacher writes the topic, today's lesson, glimpses of the past, 1757-1857. Introduces the focus. We will explore events leading to the First War of. Students read the topic aloud and note it down. Textbook. Unit 3. Glimpses of the past, 1757-1857. Teacher observes if students write the topic correctly. Independence. Subtext analysis. Reading, comprehension, vocabulary. Teacher introduces a simple vocabulary chart for difficult words. Let's simplify the vocabulary. Here's a chart with easier words to help you. Students read the simplified vocabulary and discussed their meanings. Simple vocabulary chart. Examples: dethroned, right pointing arrow, removed from power. Conquest, right pointing arrow, taking control by force. Subtext chart. The pictures and text describe events leading up to India's First War of. Vocabulary simplification. Teacher checks if students understand meanings of simplified words by asking questions. Understand. Explains the meanings and substitutes complex words with simpler terms where necessary. Independence in 1857. They show how British power grew in India while Indian rulers fought among themselves. Some Indians welcomed British rule, believing it brought peace, but others resent becoming subjects of a foreign power. The pictures also highlight the sacrifices made by Indian freedom fighters. Subtext discussion. Listening, speaking, comprehension. Teacher poses a question: what do you think caused the Indian princes? Students offer responses, e.g., the princes wanted help because they were weak. Teacher elaborates, yes. Simple vocabulary chart. Summary. Indian princes rivalries, British advantage. Teacher checks comprehension through class discussion. To turn to the British for help. Provides examples using simple vocabulary from the chart. And the British used that to take control. Glossary. Vocabulary. Teacher introduces a glossary chart. Let's clarify some key. Students read and repeat the words aloud, referring to the glossary chart. Glossary chart. Dethroned, right pointing arrow, removed from power. Conquest, right pointing arrow, victory over. Destiny, right pointing arrow, fate. Glossary. Dethroned, conquest, destiny. Teacher tests understanding by asking students to use the words in sentences. Terms from the lesson. Discusses words like conquest, destiny, and dethroned, providing their meanings. Mind mapping. Reading, writing, extrapolation. Teacher introduces mind mapping. Let's connect. Students observe the mind map and contribute by adding suggestions to the map. Mind map chart showing events like British conquests, Indian princes. Mind map. Events leading to the First War of Independence. Teacher asks students to fill in missing connections in the mind map as in all the events in a mind map. Either draws a mind map on the board or shows a mind map chart of the events leading to the First War of Independence. Rivalries and First War of Independence. Assessment. Explains the connections between the events. Pair work. Listening, speaking, reading, extrapolation. Teacher instructs students to pair up and discuss, how did the British conquests affect Indian rulers in common? Students discuss in pairs, e.g., the British took advantage of our weaknesses. The people suffered because of it. Mind map chart. Effects of British conquest. Teacher evaluates participation by walking around and listening to pair discussions. People use the mind map for guidance. Individual presentation. Speaking, extrapolation. Teacher prompts individual presentations. Now, present your conclusions to the class. Students present their discussions, e.g., we learned that Indian princes' divisions gave the British control. Presentations. Impact of British rule. Teacher assesses clarity of presentation and understanding of key concepts. Refining in editing. Listening, speaking, writing. Teacher provides feedback. Students revise their presentations. Teachers' feedback guidelines. Refined presentations. Social impact. Teacher checks if feedback has been incorporated. And guidance. Good job. Now, refine your presentation by adding how the British conquests influenced society. Act in revisions. Final presentation. Speaking, writing, listening. Teacher invites final presentations. Students present their final conclusions, incorporating. Final presentations. Teacher evaluates coherence, depth, and overall delivery. Let's hear your final presentations. Feedback from the teacher. Of final presentations. Post-reading discussion. Reading, listening, extrapolation. Teacher initiates a discussion. What lessons can we learn from this period in history? Students share their insights, e.g., we should stay united to avoid being controlled by outsiders again. Discussion prompts. Lessons from history. Unity and patriotism. Teacher assesses students' critical thinking and reflection on the topic. Moral. Values, ethics. Teacher asks a thought-provoking question. Students reflect and share their understanding, e.g., unity is strength, and we. Moral. Unity in sacrifice. Teacher evaluates whether students have internalized the moral of the lesson. What is the moral of this story? Must honor our freedom fighters' sacrifices. Assignment. Writing. Extrapolation. Teacher assigns an essay. Write an essay on the role of Indian princes in the British conquest. Students write down the assignment. Assignment. Role of Indian princes. Conclusion. Listening. Speaking. Teacher summarizes the. Students thank the teacher. Conclusion. Importance of unity. Lesson. Remember our history and the importance of unity. That's it for today.